Hi friends!
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Maya.
And today we're gonna doodle something plant-like and pokey. Any ideas? Here, I'll show you something. Whoa.
I think it's a cactus.
What is that? Ow! Be careful.
I know, I
This
tried
is
it
our super long cactus that we have. So we're gonna try to doodle something like this, but a little different and not so pokey, right? We'll see.
It's made out of paper.
So yeah, not so pokey because we're doing it on paper. So why don't you grab a piece of paper, a marker, or a pencil, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the pot that the cactus plant is gonna sit inside of.
I wonder how to draw that.
Yeah, so it's gonna be somewhere around here. We're gonna do the pot part, and then here we're gonna do the actual cactus plant.
Okay.
So let's start right here. Let's make a line, but not like a perfect line, but kind of a curvy line, like a little bit of a smiley face. So we're gonna go from here to here, that kind of a line. So let me make my line a little bit better so you could see it. A little bit of a curve. There we go. And then we're gonna make a line coming down from the left going down and from the right. So here we're gonna go down a bit, maybe like down to there. No, I would say a little bit longer than that. Yeah. And then another line going about the same distance. And then we're gonna connect the two, kind of also like a smiley face. It's gonna go from one side to the other. So it's gonna go from here, curving to the right. And then just connect them together.
A little bit of a curvy.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty wide.
All right, so now we're gonna do the bottom part of the pot, the kind of like the stand. So we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit closer in here and here. That's where we're gonna start right here. Make a line going down. And same thing on the right side. We're gonna make a line from here going down.
Here going down.
And then we're gonna also make like a curve, kind of going like this. Connect the two, okay? Great. And now I'm gonna actually, for this pot, I'm gonna draw a little face. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I'm gonna do eyes. So a curve going that way for the eye. And another curve for the other eye. And then some eyelashes, just boop, boop. Some curves going up that way.
I think I want to do
And
too.
some eyelash curves going that way. And then a smiley face, so from there to there.
I think I want to use mine.
These are just nice curve U shapes. Beautiful. All right, and then I'm also gonna just do some lines in here for the pot. So just
I
going
think I'm going to use the pencil for
some, yep, vertical lines like this. However many you want.
that. Pretty dark.
Okay, and then now we're gonna get back to the other parts of this pot later. I wanna start working on the actual cactus plant, okay? So now we're gonna work up in this area. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our first cactus-y part of the plant. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna make a curve. We're gonna work on the center part. So we're gonna make a curvy line that kind of looks like a C. It's gonna go from here all the way to there. So actually I'm gonna start up here and I'm just gonna go like that. Bloop. Yeah, and then just kind of like a curve, like a C. Not a straight line, but a curve, yep. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from here, kind of make a same kind of curvy shape, but going down to here. So I'm just gonna make a dot so I know where I'm gonna go down to. So I'm just gonna go curve to the right a little bit and then in like that. So it's like the same kind of shape.
I also think I want to make a dot. See right here?
Yeah. And then you're gonna make a curve to the right and then go all the way down to that dot. Yep. Beautiful. So that's our first part of the cactus plant. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make another curve, but going the other direction. So it's gonna go from here and it's gonna curve to that line, to that dot right there, okay? So yeah, so like somewhere up there, so it's gonna be a little bit taller and you're gonna curve the other direction going down to that spot.
And I think I need to make mine a little bit darker.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same kind of curve like we did here, but the other way going down here. And I think I'm gonna stop somewhere like right there. So I'm gonna make a curvy top like this. And it's gonna go like this to that line. So you're gonna make a curve, yep. Beautiful, and then follow that shape going down to that dot that you made. And then we're just gonna bring it down to the top of the plant right there.
Okay.
Just bring it down.
Curve
Yep.
that part a little bit.
And now, yep.
Down?
Yep. So now we're gonna make another part of the cactus plant that's kind of like up here. So we're gonna make a curve. Let's start up here and let's go watch. Curve to somewhere over there. So it's gonna be kind of like a backwards S. Yep. And then we're gonna take this curve and we're gonna just take it down to somewhere over here. So I'm gonna take that and curve it the same direction, but in here.
Actually, I'm making a lot of dots.
It just helps me know kind of where to stop, but you don't have to make those dots.
I like to make dots so then
You kind of know too.
So,
How about we make one more? One
That's
more,
probably good.
maybe like somewhere.
from come here to down here.
How about I'll make one like a little one over here actually. So let's do from here, going in here. So like a backward C. Yep. And then we're gonna make another curve going down here.
Very tiny.
Beautiful. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually make a few lines going down the same way as you see in this cactus plant. You see how it has all these lines?
Lots.
So it has all these lines. So we're gonna do the same thing.
I'm
So,
using my pencil for that.
okay. Great. So for that, we're gonna make these lines that go. So I'm gonna start with this one again, like we did before. So it's gonna be two lines. It's gonna be one on this side going down. Yep. And then another one somewhere over here. So it looks like it's divided into three parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing on the
Tiniest one?
the tiniest one. Yep. So I'm just gonna do a line that goes like that, and another one that goes like that.
So you got a little bit of a bigger between.
Yeah.
Going like that. And then one going like that.
Yeah. And same on this far left one. So I'm gonna do a curvy line.
I mean, my tiny one.
The same way. See, we're just following the same movement.
How many did you make?
I just made two. I just made two, so you can make two on that part. Yep.
1,
And 2.
2.
Yep.
2.
And then let's do the
This is
same
not my
thing.
longest
Let's
one.
not forget this one, but this one's gonna actually connect to this part right here. So I'm gonna go from here, and it's gonna stop right there. And same thing here. It's gonna stop right there.
Oh gosh, that was kind of
And
tiny.
I think one is enough for yours because yours is pretty small. All right, so now let's connect the pot. So let's go from here to here. So let's make a line from here to there, to the actual cactus plant.
Here to here.
And then we're gonna do from here to here. We're basically showing some depth, like there's something inside there, like dirt. Right?
Got it.
Beautiful. All right, now how about we continue adding to this plant? You know, it has a face. How about some hands, some arms, and some legs? Okay, how about for some arms, how about we make an arm that goes like this, like it's touching its head. So
Like
let's,
it's itching.
or just like it's, yeah. So how about we make a line that goes like that and like that. So just make a line going down this way and that way.
I was gonna use the wrong side.
But not all the way up to the top because we're gonna save that for the hand. Yep. And then, yep, exactly. And then for the hand, what I like to do is just hearts. So I'm just gonna go bloop.
I love to make
Like a
hearts.
heart
They're so fun.
But you can do lines, you can make actual hands, whatever you want to do, or just maybe something round.
I like to do hands because they're a little bit faster
Yeah.
than regular.
And then I'm gonna make the other arm going down the other direction, so going this way instead of the other way, like that. So
Interesting.
yeah. And then I'm gonna also do hearts for this side. So I'm gonna do an upside down heart going like this.
Oh my gosh, I need to turn around my paper.
Yeah, keep it closer to over here so you can see it. Oh, you're gonna do it the other way? Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
So
Flipping
I
it
can
over.
see it better.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have to be like, what the?
All right, so beautiful. So now we have arms, we have a
pretty good.
face. What are we missing? What do you think we should add to this?
Feet.
Some feet, yes. How about some legs? So let's start with the legs, and we're gonna go from left going down diagonally like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so going left, going down.
This
Mhm.
towards there.
We'll do the same thing on the right side.
I think I
And then for
want
the
little
feet,
shoes.
little shoes. Yeah, I'm just gonna go like a backwards C for that one. And a forward C.
Oh, I like this shoe.
Really cute. And I think one
Again.
more thing is missing though. What makes a cactus really cactusy and pokey?
Oh, those pokey.
Those little needle points, yeah?
Needle.
Those little pokey needles. So how about we'll start with those, and all we have to do is just make some fun, just little lines like bloop,
everywhere.
bloop, going this way, that way, different directions. So just make a line this way, but like a short little lines.
I already made one line.
Exactly, and they can be going this way, that way. I would say try making them go different directions. Some going up, some going down, some going this way, some going that way. And that's really what's gonna really make it look even more like a cactus. And give it some character.
I mean, it's like kind of like a triangle.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna finish making my pokey lines and just have fun with it. There's no right or wrong way to make these pokey lines. You just boop boop, putting them
make
all
lines.
around this cactus plant.
Actually, I like drawing them. I never knew how fun it was.
Yeah. And
I think
that's pretty much it.
I forgot.
I think
this
we
line.
have our plant, right? We have our cactus. Oh wow, yours is very pokey. So we have basically our cactus plant. We have the pokey parts, the little needles. We have a pot, and we have a little character inside, right? And so now how about we color? Yeah? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, at this point, speed up the video. You guys can watch us color in a fast mode, but what you can do is you can pause the video and color yours in, and then come back to see at the end what it looks like. Ready? All right, so here we are. Here's our final cactus plants.
Yep.
What do you guys think? Lila, do you want to show yours?
I can do that.
Okay, so this is Lila's, and I really like how she colored her plant all one green color. And what's really nice here is that this inside of the plant pot and the outside are two different colors. It shows that there's something inside and that there's something outside, which is really great.
So did over here, different color.
Yeah, a different color on the bottom of the pot too.
And purple is a dark color and it's kind of like dirt.
Yeah, exactly. And then this is my example, a little different with the cactus plant because I had two different green colors. And the reason I did that is just to show that there's some contrast in the color and some depth to the plant. And I also did color the inside a different color than the outside just to show that there's a difference in the pot. But of course you guys can do it your way, and we would definitely love to see how you colored and drew your plants. So please share with us. The links are below. And thank you for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.